Hello my students, welcome to this other new video of Albanian language. Today I want to teach you the question form, or as we say it in Albanian, forma pyetëse. What is this? So how to make a question, basically, alright? So for example, if we have a sentence like I am a singer. In English, you do the question form is am I a singer? And in Albanian is the same. So for example, if we have the sentence Un jam një kengetare, I am a singer, un jam një kengetare, the question will be jam un një kengetare? So you just change the positions of the verb and the pronoun, in this case, un, right? But this is for all the verbs. While in English, for example, for different kind of verbs, like I sing, right? Un këndoj. Do I sing? Right? This is what you do in English. But for Albanian, no, you will just change again the position of the verb with the pronoun, right? With the personal pronoun. So this is how you are going to do the question, usually for all the verbs. So it's very easy to make the question form. But there is something that we have these two forms and it's very easy for you to remember. Again, if we have the sentence un jam kengetare and you are going to do jam un kengetare, am I a singer? But there is another form how you can do the question. Now, we put this a, that is a in Albanian, all right, or a in English. So, for example, like at the beginning of the question, right? So, for example, jam un kengetare, we had this form. We can do it a jam un kengetare just by putting this a at the beginning of the question. This a does not have any meaning. It's only to make a question and it gives, let's say, more meaning to the question. So you can do it both ways, but it's more beautiful if you use this a than if you just start with the verb as a question. And let's make another sentence. Un mesoj shqip. I learn Albanian. Now, you can do it mesoj un shqip. Like in English will be do I learn Albanian or learn I Albanian, mesoj un shqip. So this form is correct, but another form it's better, all right? So you can do it a mesoj un shqip. Right? So this for all the forms of the verb, even for example in the third person or in the first person in plural, so the same thing. For example, let's do it the first person in plural. Ne mesojme shqip. So we learn Albanian or we study Albanian. Mesojmë ne shqip. This is the first option. Or the second one that is better. A mësojmë ne shqip? Another example, un dua një kafe. Now I'm drinking it actually. So, un dua një kafe. I want a coffee. Dua un një kafe? Do I want a coffee? Or, better, a dua un një kafe? Or for the second person in singular, ti do një kafe. You want a coffee. Do ti një kafe? Or better, a do ti një kafe? Or only without even that mentioning the pronoun, a do një kafe? Because that T, so when we mention the pronouns, we mention the pronouns because, for example, in English, you have the same form except for the third person in singular that change. Now the form will be with S, for example. The other form of the verbs are the same. So I do, you do, and then again, we do, you do, they do, right? But in Albanian this does not happen. So the form of the verb will change for all the like for all of them. Like un dua, ti do, ai do, ne duam, ju doni, ata duan. So that's why many times we don't put that personal pronoun there, because we understand it from the verb form, that I'm talking to you, or I'm talking to him, or I'm talking to them, etc. So, but the importance is for this video is for you to understand the question form. So how we do the question in Albanian. And I think you have understood it, because it's really very easy. So again, we repeat it. We have two forms, but one is better. Alright? So the first form, un dua një akullore. I want an ice cream. Dua un një akullore. First option. Second one, a dua un një akullore? Do I really? No? Do I want an ice cream? So this form is better. Okay, so just remember it. I'm going to put all of this in the description of the video, because now we don't like YouTube doesn't let anymore to write it on the video. So I'm going to write it on the description, and it will be the same for you. And I will put also a link there, actually, because I was invited in a TV program in Albania, the TV program of Rudina Magjestari, to talk actually about this, about learning or better teaching Albanian in the internet, or like this with the YouTube videos. So it's really very interesting one. I will just put there the link for you, and if you want, you just click on it and try to see if you understand now Albanian, because it's in Albanian. Alright, so this is all for now, and please watch the videos. I'm sure that you are going to learn a lot. If you are really motivated to learn the Albanian language, I'm sure with my videos that's a very good start. Alright? So, but if you want private lessons, I can do them on Skype for you. We just you have to send me an email, and my email I will put it in the description as well again. And just contact me, write me what do you want to do, why you want to learn Albanian, and if you are a beginner, and where are you from, so I know also about the time difference and everything. Alright, so this is everything for now. Please learn this the question form, or forma pyetëse, let's say, of the Albanian language. Mirupafshim nga unë Viola, ju dua shumë, I love you a lot.